Alright guys, I am so super excited. I'm so super excited to film this video. So actually I didn't even expect to get this in the mail. Actually, I really honestly forgot that I even ordered it, and it just showed up on my doorstep, and I'm so excited that I did order it. And I was actually gonna film a different look today, but I got it's called the new Nude Huda Beauty palette. So here we do have the packaging that it comes in. Ignore my nails please, because truly I need to paint my nails, so just ignore them. But anyways, so I actually really love how it comes. Not that this is any like beneficial or anything, but it's just really nice that it comes in this plastic case like this. It's very chic, should I say. So we open it up, and I've already opened it up, of course. So I really love, I haven't tried a lot of Huda Beauty products, but I've tried her other palettes. I have her rose gold one and her, I'm forgetting the name of it, but the purple one. I freaking love those palettes so much. The rose gold one is so freaking amazing because it's just like my favorite colors in that palette. And I love how unique the textured shadows are. So my mom actually stole the rose gold one for me, so I don't ever use it anymore, but I still love it, and I still can go into her room and get it. So here is the outside packaging. So it looks like this for the outside packaging. It's so freaking beautiful. It's so nice. So we're gonna open it up. Here we go. We have this little card right here. Looks like this. Super cool. I'm actually going to keep this because I'm creating a project of keeping packaging items. So hopefully maybe I'll actually create that project. So it does have plastic, so we're going to take that off the mirror. And you guys, this palette is so fucking beautiful. So here we have it. Looks like this. I just fucking love this. I really hope it's just as amazing as I'm expecting it to be, because truly, honestly, I don't even want to touch the shadows or anything like that because I don't want to mess them up. But like, oh, this is so freaking pretty. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I might swatch a couple of the textured shadows and the matte shadows, but I don't know, I really don't even want to mess it up, and like, I just don't want to mess it up. So I have my makeup brushes right here all dirty. They're all dirty, and I keep forgetting to clean my makeup brushes. So we're just going to use dirty brushes, but I'm going to wipe them off where there's no like product coming off on my pants. So, you know, we get the full effect if this palette is good or not. And I have my Taco Bell Baja Blast here. Honestly, I was supposed to eat healthy this week, and I made soup. But I've been to Taco Bell twice this week, and I've ate bad all week, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I just really don't want to mess this palette up. Okay, so we're gonna get into it. I really don't know what kind of look I'm gonna create. We're just gonna go with the fucking flow and just see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and this is the color Excite. So these textured shadows are so nice, and I love them in her other palettes because they really just create such a cool effect on the eyes. So I'm hoping these do the same. So I just did a little swatch. Ignore my nails, please, please, please ignore my nails. And so I'm looking at my monitor over here, and it's like flipped, like it's mirrored. It's really annoying, so it's kind of hard for me to like see because I don't have a pop-out screen on my camera. So anyways, here's the shade right here. I didn't over dramatically swatch it, but I'll swatch a couple of them. So I am now gonna swatch this Crave color right here, which is kind of like a nude color. And honestly, I don't know why my nails look so bad, so just ignore them. So I'm swatching that. So this one's different. This one's more soft, and it kind of goes on like a regular eyeshadow. The other one's more glittery. So I'm going to go into the one next to it, which is called Fantasy, and it's this color right here. And these are the only ones I'm going to swatch right now because I'm really not good at swatching. So I'm just going to swatch it like that. And actually, I'm going to go into the Infatuated color too, because this one's a more textured glitter one right here. So I am going to go into that one also and just put it on the back of my hand. So these go on pretty cool. They're very textured and glittery. So that's really cool to me, honestly, because it gives it like a different effect that you don't always get. So I can't zoom in well, but this is what they look like. They're really cool. I really suck at swatching, so, you know, we're just going with the flow. And I'm so sorry my phone keeps going off. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty brush like this, and I'm going to go into the color... Oh, I like the names of these. These are, okay, so these are like little porno names. Okay, so we have Tickle, we have Kinky, Teddy, Raw, Tease, Secret, Concealed, Lace, Bear, Crave, Daydream, and I'm not going to keep going off of them, but they're kind of kinky. One's named Spanked. We have a Spanked color on here. So I'm going to go into the color Tickled, which is this color right here. And I'm going to just start blending this into my crease. It is very powdery, it looks like, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm just going to tap my brush off. And now I'm just going to start blending this into my crease, just as I normally do. I'm not going to do anything too crazy today. I'm just blending it into my crease. So far it's blending really nicely, and this color is actually really, really pretty. I don't think I have a color like this in my collection, so I'm really liking it so far. I'm just kind of rounding out the ends, but honestly, like, this color has the most perfect amount of pigment and blended so nicely. Like, I'm already like seeing myself using this color really often. Alright, so I just wiped off this brush. This is the, oh my gosh, Morphe M5 13 brush. There's paint all over this, dried up paint on the brush, so just ignore that because I really need to clean my brushes, which I'm going to do today, but I really need to clean my brushes. Honestly, I don't know what color I want to go into because they're all so pretty. Okay, I'm going to go into the color Spanked because it just looks so beautiful. So we're going to go into this color right here. And I'm going to tap my brush off, and I'm going to start on the outer and start blending it into my crease. Okay, like, whoa, already loving this color, honestly. This color is really, really nice. Wow. Like, these are blending out so easily, so nicely. I'm already like really, like, look at that. I barely did anything. It's already like perfectly blended out. Wow, okay. Okay, so far I'm not sad about this palette. I'm already really excited about this palette. I'm really excited. Wow, this color, I feel like these two colors that I've used so far already have like the perfect amount of pigment, and you don't have to like go very crazy into them, but you don't have to go super light-handed either because they blend out really nicely. Okay, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Cool. We're going to go back into the first brush and first color, and I'm just going to use it to kind of soften the top part out and blend it a little bit higher. Wait a second. Wait 1 second. Oh my gosh. I think this concealed color right here is a fucking cream. Okay. If I'm wrong, I'm going to cut this out of the video, but like, oh my gosh, it is. It's a fucking cream in this palette. This color right here is a cream. Oh my gosh, my nails look so bad. So I guess maybe it's like a base for your eyes, or it's like a... Dude, I had no idea. What the fuck? That's so cool. I don't know if it works good, but now I'm really sad. It's like very light, but it's like, it's a fucking like concealer cream inside your palette. Dude, I'm so excited about this palette. Like, it's not disappointing me yet. Okay, I'm not gonna jinx myself. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. Okay, so there's not really any dark colors in this palette, so I'm going to go into the color right here, which is this purple color right here. It's called Love Bite, and I'm taking my Morphe E17 brush. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to wipe off this brush right here. Alright, so there isn't really any dark colors in this palette, so I'm going to go into this color right here, which is the purple Love Bite color. And I'm taking this brush. This is the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to use it to kind of like pack it on the outer part of my eye. And I'm not really gonna blend it too crazy in, but whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna start blending into my crease. So far so good. So far it's blending out super easy and nicely. Wow, okay. Honestly, like I really am really excited about this palette. Like it's doing me so good. And I think it's so cool that that little concealer shade is in there. Fuck, I wish I would have known. Okay. Anyways, we're moving on. I'm gonna take a brush just because I know these shadows work better with your finger, even though my nails need to be painted and look terrible. Why do they look like that? Why did I let my nails look like that? I don't know, so we're just gonna ignore that, but I'm gonna go into the color Daydream right here, which is this purpley glittery shade, and it's so freaking pretty. So these have like different textured colors in them. I don't know if you guys can see in the palette, but if you look up pictures online, there's like different colors in the textured shadows, and they kind of blend together to make like a really pretty color. So I'm gonna lay this on the lid. Bitch, that shit looks good already. Like what the fuck? That is so beautiful. Okay, bitch, alright. So we're just living the fucking dream right here. And honestly, like nude colors aren't my like, you know, style of palette. That is my dog, okay? That is my dog making that noise. But like nude palettes aren't like my style, but this one just stood out to me and I knew I had to have it. And I'm not disappointed. Like, fuck, this is so pretty. Fuck. Okay, so I'm just taking a flat brush. This is the Almar Cosmetics little flat brush thing, and I'm just using it to pick up, I have like product, like leftover like cosmetic product on here, like Halloween makeup on this brush, so we're just gonna ignore it, but it's like waxy and won't come off. But I'm just using it to sharpen up my crease area, not really lay it on the lid, just to give it some definition. I'm just going over it one more time just to kind of, you know, give it a little boom. Boom, bitch. That is so pretty. Fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into that brush and go back into that Love Bite purple color and just use it to blend out the edge of it. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And if I say it enough. Okay, so I kind of want to do something else. So this is what I'm gonna try to do. Hopefully I don't mess up this look because I'm really liking it. I didn't blend the purple on this eye yet because I figured out I'm gonna take the color Infatuated right here. And this color is kind of like the one next to it, but it has more reflex of other colors in it. And I'm just gonna take it, should have took it on my pinky actually, but I'm gonna take it and just put it right here on the eye. So like on the outer part, like just where the crease eyeshadow, the first eyeshadow stops, I'm just placing it like right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of it on the brush just to get it a little bit more precisely, but honestly, like that went on really nicely. All right, cool. Now I'm taking that Love Bite color and just blending it a little bit on the outer part, but not too crazy because it doesn't need to be like too blended, just, you know, little 1-2. Now I'm wiping off on that same brush my pants and going into the color next to it, which is the Spanked color, which we used the second color in our eyes, and I'm just blending my under eyes. Oh God, don't poke yourself in the eye. Okay, bitch, I am like so happy with like this look so far, like, bitch. I'm so happy with like how this look is looking so far. So I'm gonna try to do something cool. I don't know if this is gonna look good, but I'm gonna try to do something cool. Okay, so I'm taking this tiny, tiny little brush, and this is, dude, I don't even know where this came from, but it says C148 mini contour brush. I don't know, but it doesn't have like a product, like brand name on it. So anyways, I'm gonna go into this top color right here, which is the like goldeny color, and it is the Crave color. And I'm picking this up and I'm popping this on the inner corner, and I'm gonna pop it on the brow bone as well. I'm just hoping it'll look like really cool on the brow bone. We'll see. Kind of like a highlighting shade, honestly. Alright, so I'm taking that first brush just because I got a little bit of it lower than I wanted, and I'm just kind of wiping off. Alright, so we're done with the eyes. I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Looks like this. Love this mascara, and I'm just putting this on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so I'm really loving this eye look. Honestly, like this palette is fucking bomb. So now I'm going to go in with this lipstick and lip liner from Huda Beauty. So the lipstick is in the color Muse, and the liner is in the color Muse as well. It came in this like little mini kit, like lip kit I got for Christmas last year, and I really love this lipstick. It's the only Huda Beauty lipstick I have, but I really love it. And the liner is really bomb too. So I'm just going to use them both and just line my lips and put the lipstick on. But yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. Honestly, I really love how this look came out. This palette is bomb. Like, I'm so excited about this palette. I don't normally buy nude colored palettes, but I'm so excited about it. It worked amazing. The colors blended out so perfectly. They had the perfect touch. They have the perfect color and like formula, and I thought it was really, really cool about the concealer in the palette. No, I didn't get to test it out, but I think it's a really cool fix. Like if you need a quick fix up, like you messed up, you got some fallout, you know, to use it as a base on your eyes. That's really cool. And I love the textured shadows. Like I don't know of any brands that have textured shadows like Huda Beauty does, and I really love them. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you would like to see me review next, and I'll definitely try to get it. Look at it, see if it's something I like. Again, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so every brand I use is cruelty-free. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Is there even